choreography's excellent. Billy's a fantastic dancer. The whole thing is wonderful.
The children in the show were just incredible. We've got a 7-year-old at home, and some of those actors tonight look barely older than her, and it was just amazing.
This is, our first time seeing it, and we're just surprised at how relevant it is.
That wonderful cast, I don't know how they do it. I wanted to stand and clap at every moment.
It's really great. It was like such good energy.
One of the best musicals I've ever seen.
It's really entertaining. Some of it's quite hard-hitting, but it does not make you think.
I liked it when Billy and his friend were dressing up as the ladies. That was funny.
When they all dressed up and the dancing dresses came out, that was my favourite bit.
Oh, definitely come and see it. It's brilliant. Like, it's fun for everyone.
Like, blew my expectations out the water.
It was absolutely fantastic.
Breathtaking, groundbreaking, and invincible.
10 out of 10. Very dramatic. Yeah.
It's exciting, it's funny, and can't take my eyes off it.
Please book now, and book me a seat too.
Solidarity, solidarity, solidarity.